To adjust the belt of your machine, your industrial machine, you just loosen up these two nuts, this one from the down and you loosen the up one too. The spanner for it is normally size 17 or 18. So you just carry the motor a little up, then you tighten up the down one. You understand? The down nut, you tighten it up after taking the machine up. You see that your belt has slacked a little. You see that the belt is a little loose, so it will reduce the speed of the machine, so it won't be running that fast for you to be able to control it. So it's just as simple as that. You tighten up the nut, tighten it up back so it will not come down again. So you see the belt is loose now. Let's see the speed. Okay, as you can see now, the speed of my machine is now manageable. As you know, speed is always controlled by the way you step on the pedal, but reducing the belt also help. So I'll properly tighten up this nut. So it's as simple as it is. Same thing with increasing the speed. If you want the belt to be tight, you just go under there like you saw me did. You loosen those two nuts, then you bring the motor of the machine down. You bring it down to make the belt to be tight. Okay, thank you very much for watching.